How would you like a way to be able to use a credit card and reap the cash rewards without actually going into debt? I should probably also mention that you'll get a free $10 just for trying it, but more about that later on in the video. Dude, I'm all wet. My nipples are wet. Gosh darn it. Just stop drinking water. You hear from some people to never use credit cards. They say to cut them up and throw them out. I agree with this statement up until a certain point. If you're responsible with your money, then why can't you use a credit card and not feel guilty about it? With the amount of money you get back from different rewards, you're leaving so much cash on the table if you pay the balance off by the end of every month. I make at least $600 per year in cashback rewards by using my credit card. Will that $600 per year make or break my wealth? Probably not, but I'm currently investing that extra money back into index funds. In 30 years, I expect that money to be worth $56,000. I don't know about you, but I sure could use an extra $56,000 in my pocket. I wonder how many vacations I'd be able to take with $56,000. But I also wonder how many vacations I can't take without $56,000. Oh, I know. None! Who wouldn't like to get a little better with their money and make some money in the process? Well, if you're in the camp that is totally against credit cards, then I found something that you may want to stick around to hear about. People, put the scissors down and slowly walk away from them until you finish watching this video, please. Even if you aren't against using credit cards, you may want to listen up as well. In this video, I'm going to show you a way to be forced to use a credit card responsibly. We'll go over what this thing is, how to set up an account, how to use it, how they prevent you from charging your credit card with money that you don't have, overdrafting, how it works, and I'll give you my feedback from testing this product. And I'll of course let you know what you have to do to get that free money. Hey, I'm Jarrad from Debt Free Blueprint, where I show intelligent people like you how to get out of debt and create freedom through your finances using the Debt Free Blueprint. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are on this solution. If you want more personal finance videos, then hit that subscribe button and notification bell so YouTube knows to deliver them to you. Let me introduce to you an app called Debitize. What? Yes. Debitize. Let me explain it in Jarrad terms. Have you ever been bowling and noticed those bowling bumpers in the lanes where kids bowl? Wow, I just used bowl in a sentence 3 times. Hopefully that made sense. Debitize is just like that, except for your credit card. It is a way for you to charge things to your credit card, but only with money that you actually have in your checking account. On top of that, Debitize will actually automatically pay your credit card off for you every single month. Wait, what? What? People, have a seat, because you did hear me correctly. Now, when I heard about Debitize, I was extremely skeptical, because I usually am. This thing sounds like the ultimate way to not only get credit card rewards, but also build your credit in the process. Before I even thought about mentioning it to you in a video like this, I had to test it out for myself. I take things I recommend to you very seriously. You are my people, so I refuse to put any product or service in front of you that I have not used, I wouldn't use, that isn't going to help you or improve your life in some sort of way. I can tell you that Debitize is everything I hoped for and then some. So how do you set up an account? Debitize has made it extremely easy to set up an account and start using the service right away. It took me about 10 to 15 minutes from start to finish. It actually probably took me a little longer since I was documenting the process for this video in case it was something that I wanted to recommend to you. You'll first want to enter in the credit card number that you want to debitize. This will be your actual credit card number. Then you'll link the checking account where the money should be withdrawn from. This is easily done by logging into your bank account through their app. As you can see, it looks like you can do this with all major banks and many smaller ones as well. You can even link it to your online bank account like Ally, which is one of the banks that we talked about in the emergency fund video that I released. Link to that one is in the description. You'll select the checking account that you'd like to use when paying your credit card off. Then you'll go through additional security questions that they need to ask due to federal regulations. This isn't a big deal at all. From there, you'll be able to access the app to see the details of your account. Later in this video, I'll show you an example of what the app looks like once you have all of the accounts set up, so you can better understand what the heck all of these numbers mean. One of the first issues I saw that could pop up is what happens if I have $500 in my checking account and charge $600 to my credit card. Will that overdraft my account? The simple answer is no, it won't. That is impossible to do for two different reasons. Number one, Debitize is constantly monitoring the funds available within your checking account and how much you've charged to your credit card. The second way they prevent this is by allowing you to set a minimum balance. For example, if I set my minimum balance to $100, Debitize will not allow me to charge anything to my credit card once I have $100 left in my checking account. You're able to choose the amount for the minimum balance. I have mine set at $20 because I know my checking account will never even be close to running that low on money. Now let's get into how Debitize can help you stay out of credit card debt. Once you have an account set up, you purchase things like you normally do with your credit card. Let's say that you buy $100 worth of donuts. Once you charge that amount to your credit card, Debitize will automatically withdraw that $100 from your checking account. They do this daily. Debitize will then take that $100 and deposit it into a new bank account they create for you called Debitize Reserve. One thing to note is that even though this money is in a new account, you have full access to it. You still have the ability to move this money back into your original checking account if you want to. But be aware that Debitize uses this reserve account to pay your credit card bill, so I highly recommend removing this as an option in your mind. To make the money a little more difficult for you to get to, they do mention that it will take 2 to 3 business days to process a withdrawal from this Debitize Reserve account. They also mention that for security and compliance reasons, they're required to hold that deposited money for 4 business days. I actually think that this is great. It prevents you from taking advantage of this amazing credit card debt solution. Finally, Debitize will automatically pay off your credit card about 1 week before it's due with the funds that they've deposited into your reserve account. This is free of charge. I also want to mention that they do have an option where you pay $7.99 per month to have them pay your credit card balance off every single week, as opposed to the free service where they pay it off once a month. You definitely don't need this extra service, so don't feel like you have to sign up for it. So how do you know how much money you charged to your credit card? As you can see in this screenshot, the app gives me a constant update of how much is actually in my checking account, how much money they plan on withdrawing from my Debitize side account, and how much will be available for me to use once that money is withdrawn from my account to be paid towards the charges I made on my credit card. You also get a constant feed of all of your purchases, which is super helpful. To get a free $10 directly from Debitize, all you have to do is use the link in the description of this video to activate your Debitize account by signing up, linking your credit card and bank accounts. Then you have to have at least 5 automated Debitized withdrawals. All this means is that you need to have 5 different charges to your credit card where they withdraw the money from your checking account, then move it to your Debitize Reserve account. Once you do this, you will receive $10, and so will I. No strings attached. You do not have to sign up for that paid service. Nothing like that. As you can probably tell from watching this video, I love this solution so much. The benefits you get from signing up and using it are off the charts. Sign up to get on the money management course waiting list. Link is in the description. Make sure to smash that thumbs up button and pick up your free copy of the Debt-Free Prep Workbook. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get more personal finance videos just like this, so we can start getting you to a point where you are financially free. I'll see you in the next one, friends. Adios.